Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing Dollar Madness. Now when you are watching this video, it's going to be on Friday, but I did pre-film this earlier in the week. So if you watch my money challenge on Tuesday and then you watch this on Friday, the amounts might be a little bit different, but it's totally fine. I wanted to pre-film this because I am going on a Mother's Day trip with my mom this weekend, and I wanted to make sure that I get this up and running for you on Friday. But this is our second time that we are going to be doing the Dollar Madness, which I'm super excited. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to be rolling some dice. I have dollar bills. That is everything that I have. I have $30 worth of dollar bills. I'm going to roll, and then I'm going to stuff the corresponding number and to the envelope and everything, and each one will be getting $1. If I roll doubles, then I will get $1 to treat myself, which is really good because then I can use that money for this weekend for Mother's Day. So let's go ahead and get started. So all of this money is actually from the yard sale that we did a couple of weeks ago in April actually, and it's already May. We did it on April 21st. And I am just now giving you guys the scoop here in May because I just didn't have time to film it and I wanted to wait until the perfect time, and this is the perfect time to me. So we're gonna go ahead and count, make sure that it is $30, and then we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So $30 is how much we are going to be stuffing somewhere. So we're going to go ahead and roll. And that is 4, 5, 6, which is going to be in medical. So medical is going to be getting $1. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is going to go towards debt, which is really good for us. And debt is right here, and we are going to put $1. And that is 3, 4, 5, which is going to be car. Car is going to be getting $1. I'm hoping to kind of get a lot more doubles, like treat yourself, just so I can have some money for this weekend, some play money. That is 11, which is Dobby. So Dobby is going to be getting $1. $4 is going to go towards renewals, which is really good as well, because I do have my tag renewal coming up in July. 4, 5, 6, which is going to be medical. And that is a double, so we will get $1 for ourselves, and then that is 6. So we're going to put another one in medical. I think that's what I'm probably going to do. 4, 5, which is car. I think next time I do this, I'm probably going to shift some of these around just to spread the love pretty much. 6, 7, 8, which is debt. Awesome. Uh-oh, let's see. Roll next. 4, 5, which is car. Doubles, which will be treat yourself and beauty. I don't think I've ever done snake eyes before, which is okay with me because I have not been showing beauty love at all. 5, 6, 7, 8, which is going to be debt again. Let's see. I want some home renovations or special occasion. That one's off. I'm going to roll again. And that is going to be Dobby, which is totally fine because Dobby always has daycare and groomers. Snake Eyes again, and it's going towards Beauty as well. So Beauty, let's see, we get another $1. Maybe I won't have to stuff it for the cash envelopes anymore. That one's off. That one's off too. So let's go ahead and roll again. We have doubles again, so 10, and also giveaways, which is awesome. I'm trying to build this up, so maybe I will either do a cash giveaway or gift cards. I'm not sure yet, but I also don't know what my amount is going to be. 4, 5, 6, 7, which is special occasion. And that is right here. And that is also 3, 4, 5, which is car. This is always so much fun, you guys. Let's see. That is 9, which is eBay and YouTube. So we are going to do, can't remember which envelope is first. YouTube. So we're going to do YouTube, which is awesome. Oh, Snake Eyes again and Beauty. How crazy is that? There's always one envelope that reigns superior when I do any kind of dice rolls. That is funny. I'm gonna roll again. That's off the screen. 6, 7, 8, 9, which is eBay and YouTube again. So we are going to do eBay next. I want a home renovation. Home renovation. Come on. Let's see. Doubles, which is giveaways, and myself. Awesome. And we are going to put that $1 right there. That is off the grid. And it was actually doubles, but 6, 7, 8, which is debt. Awesome. We only have $2 left. 4, 5, which is car. Let's see, car. And then last one, you guys, and it cannot be a double because I can't do $2. Oh, look, it's doubles. Let's do that again because Beauty has gotten a lot of love today. So let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 giveaways. Perfect. We will stuff giveaways. I am happy about that. All right, so let's go ahead and count how much we are going to be putting in here and do an update. So YouTube, we have $1 that we are going to put in. Let's see, $1, and I've not updated it since then. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So $37 for YouTube. eBay, we have $1 as well. And that is going to be 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So 31. Let me just go ahead and update that. Appliances, we did not do anything to home. Giveaways has $3, you guys. $3, which is great. So we're putting $3 in, so we should have $35. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. $35 in giveaway. So we are well on our way to bump that up so I can treat you guys. Moving on to my sinking funds. Medical, we have 1, 2, 3 for medical. And we are putting $1 in. Well, actually, we're putting $3 in. $3. And let's see how much we have. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, and 97. So $197, which is great. Can always use medical because I actually have a doctor's appointment this week, but I shouldn't have to pay copay, but we'll see. Okay, and we are adding, I don't remember what we added, so let's do 611 plus 20 equals 631. All right, so we have 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 600, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So $36. $636. So did we do minus 6? Wait. 630, 631 minus 631 minus 636 equals $5. We added $5, you guys, to car maintenance, which I can believe it. All right, going on to Dobby. Dobby, we have $2 that we are going to add, and we will add $2 to here. And I did use it for his groomer, so we have 10, 11, and 12. So we have $12 for Dobby right now. Special occasion is only getting $1, which is totally fine. $1. And we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, and 53. 153, which is good. Okay, and then let's see, Home Nothing Beauty has $1, $2, $3 that we are going to be putting in. So we will put $3, so $24. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, which is really good. All right, and then renewals is getting $1. $1. And that is 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 101. So $101. And I believe we have only 2 more things that we have to update, which is our debt. So our debt will be getting 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $4, which is great. Anything towards debt is always a win for us. So right now we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. So $284. $284. Awesome, you guys. And then last but not least, we have my Treat Myself. And this is going to be for this weekend, which this is my Treat Myself little envelope. I already have $20, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. $6, guys, to that. So that is awesome. We rolled doubles 6 times. That is cool. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So $26 will be going in there, and it will be taken whenever we go out of town this weekend. All right, you guys, so that is it. We have stretched $30, $31 bills into different envelopes. Some got a lot of love and some did not get any love at all. But anyways, it is all good with me. Thank you so much, and let me know if you like these Dollar Madness. I would love for you guys to hang out with me. If you are not subscribed to my channel, come and join my family. I love to chat and I love to meet new friends. Anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you guys on Saturday for a stuffing video of paycheck, the first paycheck in May actually. All right, you guys, love you guys, and see you guys later. Bye.